Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Hestia panel on your server. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your server, probably via SSH or via password login at the back end of your server. So right now, for me to access my own server, this is my IP address, username, then I'm using a public key, client key. If you don't know how to do this, you can get your bit SSH client. You can download that. Then you come here to client key manager, import, then change this to all files. Then you need to bring in this SSH private key. So once you load that, you have something like this global one. Then you can declare it here. So once you set that as your password, just click on login. So authentication completed. You open a new terminal. So I'm going to clear this. So once we did that, the first command there is I want to switch to I want to switch to I want to be switch to the root. So to do that, we have to do sudo su slash then press enter. So you can see that now I'm at the root. So according to Hestia panel, if you check their website, you have to declare a wget https. So this is the link to the Hestia panel. So press enter. Then the next thing you want to do is I'm going to paste a script down at the section of type. So you want to bash install, want to declare another script. So the script goes that bash st install sh, that's install via ssh. Then interactive is set to no. Then the email, this is my email address. Then the password, this is the password I'm declaring. Then I'm trying to change my str panels host to this cpanel. So then this f is to force the installation. So you're going to have this. So all you have to do is change the email address, change your password, then change your cpanel. So mine for later use is going to be cpanel dot this to access the panel. So once we are done, just press enter. So it said Hestia install detected, which means I already installed Hestia, but it probably was not successful. So I'm going to remove it. So quickly, I'm going to try to purge Hestia and remove. So I'm going to show how to delete the previous Hestia there. So sudo system control stop Hestia. Okay. So then we declare a sudo apt-get purge Hestia. Okay. So it asks if you want to continue, press Y. Then we run a sudo user delete. So it said it doesn't exist. So we are doing this maybe to remove if there's any group or any user. So to clean up the remaining files, we do sudo remove rf user local str. Okay. Then we run a apt-get update on our server. Okay, so that is for that. Then we're going to try now to install Hestia. All right, so I'll clear this. Now let's try again to install Hestia panel. So we are already in the root. We already have root access. So let's just do this. Okay. So uh wget, then the link to Hestia. Then we run the command we run initially. Let's see. Okay, so now you can see that the Hestia is getting installed. All right. So that is how you remove if you have a previous or you encountered maybe an error while installing Hestia. This is the way you get to remove Hestia if you probably didn't have a successful installation. So you can do this to reinstall Hestia on your server.